Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add a blur face effect to a video in the CapCut editing application. Open CapCut. After that, click on New Project and select the video you want to edit. Click on the Add button. When the project has opened, select the Effects option from the bottom menu, and Video Effects in the new menu. When the list of effects has opened, we need to find the blur. It is located in the Basic menu. Select Blur and confirm the selection. Now we need to extend the effect to the video. When we did it, we select the video. In the bottom menu, find the Copy option and click. After that we need to find the Overlay option. We click. Now we need to place the new video below the old one. After that, select the bottom video and select the Mask option from the bottom menu. Various blur variants are offered here. We will choose Circle because it fits our face the best. We need to click on the Invert option in the lower left corner. After that we position the blur so that it suits us. We will put it on the face and change its shape a bit. In case the person is moving, it is necessary to add a keyframe. Let's go to the beginning and select the keyframe option. After that we find the part where the person moved. Select the Mask option again. Move us blur and confirm the option. That is all. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.